One of the projects we're doing in the lab is to try to develop a strategy which we can selectively block NF-kB or other inflammatory pathways on endothelial cells. The advantage of that will be, I will talk about a little more on that. That sepsis is a serious health problem, virtually with no specific treatment. And we know that sepsis and septic shock are systemic inflammatory syndrome. During sepsis, bacterial pathogen triggers release of hundreds of inflammatory mediators, such as cytokine, chemokine, adhesion molecule, reactive oxygen species, and so on. And the intention of our body to release this molecule is to protect ourselves, so that we can launch an host defense response to eliminate inviting bacteria. However, when this mediator is produced in excessive, they can cause collateral damage, leading to septic sequelae such as circulatory collapse, intravascular coagulation, endothelial injury, and multi-organ injury, and so on. Because the cause of sepsis is overproduction of inflammatory mediator, is all logic and maybe a most effective way to develop anti-inflammatory therapies. However, anti-inflammatory have both good and bad aspects. The good thing is anti-inflammatory can dump the systemic inflammation and also can ameliorate all the collateral damage, as I mentioned before. Such there's a lot of literature indicate that anti-inflammatory therapies can effectively correct all the major components of sepsis abnormality, as listed here. The bad part is anti-inflammatory therapy can impair our host defense capacity. If you look at literature, all the major inflammatory mediators like TNF-alpha, IL-1 beta, and so on, when you remove them completely, these are not, their survival is not decreased, they are increased. So this is the challenge to us. So the therapeutic challenge we face is we want to develop an effective anti-inflammatory therapy. We have to find a way to diverge between the inflammatory or injury and the host defense response, so that we can develop ways to selectively inhibit the exuberant inflammatory or injury response, which the therapeutic effect we want to see. And at the same time, we can avoid the impairment of host defense response, which is the side effect we don't want to see. It's also unrealistic to separate these two responses systemically, because we know these two responses operate by the same machinery. So one strategy we propose will be compartmental block inflammatory pathway. The one strategy we propose is endothelial selective block of inflammatory pathway. The reason is the following. First, endothelial activation plays an important role in the septic pathology. Second, and most importantly, that endothelial activation and injury are the initial step leading in the cascade of events that lead to the development of septic multi-organ injury. We know from clinical study that septic patients, if they don't develop multi-organ injury, they don't die. So this strategy may not be very effective to prevent systemic inflammation, but if we can eliminate the multi-organ injury or endothelial injury, we would be improved survival.